Hi everyone, Jake Swiss from OpenObserve here. We built OpenObserve, a unified observability platform that's easy to set up, incredibly performant, and efficient to help relieve those observability headaches. I'm here to show you a little bit about the platform today. We have an open source project, links below, but today I'm going to walk you through our cloud platform.
OpenObserve was built from the ground up and utilizes modern technologies like Rust and Apache Parquet for speed and efficiency. The first thing you might notice on our home screen is that 155 terabytes of data was compressed down to 2. The platform also offers logs, metrics, traces, front-end observability, observability pipelines, dashboards, and alerts. And we can't talk about observability without AI native capabilities. OpenObserve also has an AI SRE and LLM observability in the platform.
Let me just quickly demonstrate what unified observability means here in this case. So I'm going to click into our logs UI. Let's select our OTel demo stream. And we will go and take a look at the logs by Kubernetes pod name. So I'm particularly interested in the checkout pod. Let's include that. You can see that it's been added here. Let's look back at the last 3 hours and we'll run our query. Okay, super fast. So as you can see, we have a list of logs. I could go in and look at the aggregate insights, right? Now, I can also go in and see what natively correlated traces look like for this log, thanks to OpenTelemetry. So here in the UI, all we have to do is go over to traces. We can see that there are 25 correlated traces. Let's take a look. I can see the user checkout traces, all of the trace spans. There is a flame graph visualization as well as a service map to support. Unified observability sounds great. What's even nicer is how easy this is to set up. So if you go onto our website and download the open source, everything is available in a single binary. You can go to 0 to full stack observability in under 2 minutes and keep your existing instrumentation. Point to us if you're already on OTel. No vendor lock-in. There's so many reasons why we're excited to help you achieve better observability outcomes and reduce some of those observability headaches. So we're going live on Product Hunt today. Hope you enjoyed the really quick demo, but try it out for yourself. The open source version and cloud links are both right there on our website. Please let us know what you think in the comments below, and we cannot wait to hear from you. Thank you.